Well, our first time here, we came from Atlanta, Georgia to Ile-Ife. It has been a wonderful experience, being that we are the first of our family to reach Africa. And it has been amazing just to be a part of the Ifa World Festival. In regards to Ifa, I accepted Ifa as my spirituality about 8 years ago under the teachings of Babalawo Fayimi Nicholas, and it has just been a beautiful experience, a liberating experience for me and my wife, Yolanda Etheridge. Yes. Yes. As Ifa is in a religion, the Ifa divination system has guided me through some of the most frivolous times in my life. And I understand that instead of like other religions where we have to pray to mystery gods, it's not the same. It's praying to the Almighty Creator and guiding us in a way that suits our majesty as a people. It is a connection with our ancestry, and the Orisha have blessed us beyond measure so that we can make it here today. Promote it more in the African American community in the United States and make it easier for them to come here. It's like they don't want us to leave the U.S., but as we came, we've shared all of our experiences with them. And so I think that next time we will try to bring more people with us so that they can experience this, because it's a wonderful experience. Yes.